If you've been carrying the weight of what other people think of you, replaying a look, a comment, quietly wondering if you're enough, you're in the right place. For the next 10 minutes, I'll help you set down the need for their approval and come home to yourself. There's nothing to do but listen. So let's begin right now. A slow breath in and a long, soft breath out, letting the opinions of others, just for now, fall away. I'm so glad you're here. Let's come back to you together. Let's begin with a simple picture. Imagine a gold coin, pure and bright, one of the finest ever made. You hold it out to a room full of people, and most admire it, but a few shrug and turn away. They simply prefer silver. Now, here's the quiet question. Did the gold become less valuable because some people preferred silver? Of course not. Their preference told you something about them and nothing about the gold. And you are the coin. When someone doesn't like you, doesn't choose you, doesn't approve, it is so easy to believe it means you are worth less. But most of the time, it only means they prefer silver. And think of what happens if you try to be liked by everyone. You would have to be gold for one, and silver for another, and copper for the next, changing shape for every hand you fall into. And a coin that tries to be every metal at once becomes no metal at all. It loses the very thing that made it precious. The need to be liked by everyone is really a quiet fear that we are only worth what others say we are. But a gold coin's worth does not change, whether it is admired or ignored, held in a king's hand or lost in the dirt. The opinions of others are like weather, passing over the coin. Praise one day, criticism the next. Warm, then cold. And none of it ever changes the gold. So that is our practice today. To stop polishing ourselves for every passing eye, and to rest as what we already are. So, let us begin. Find a position that feels steady and supported. Let your feet rest flat or settle into your seat. Let your hands rest, open and soft. Close your eyes gently. Take a slow breath in through the nose and a longer breath out, letting your shoulders fall. Again, breathe in and out, slower still. Now, notice something. So much of the body braces, as if it is being watched. So let's set the performance down, one part at a time. Soften your forehead. You don't have to look any certain way here. Let your jaw unclench. Your face grow easy. No one to impress. Let your shoulders drop, away from your ears. The weight of being seen you can put it down. Let your arms grow heavy, your hands soften. Feel your chest rising and falling, just for you, not for anyone watching. Your stomach soft, your back long and at ease, and feel the ground holding you completely. Here, there is no audience, no judge, nothing to prove, just your breath moving and you exactly as you are. Now, gently bring to mind someone whose opinion you've been carrying, someone whose approval you've been reaching for, or whose judgment you've been afraid of. Notice what happens in the body. Perhaps a tightening, a bracing, and gently remind yourself, this is their preference, their weather. It is not my worth. Breathe in and say to yourself, I am already enough. Breathe out and let it go. I release the need for their approval. You are not making them wrong. You are simply letting them prefer what they prefer, while you stay as you are, the gold, unchanged. And if the worry returns, and it will, that's all right. Each time, you simply come back to your own worth, which was never up for a vote. Let the imagined audience quietly dissolve, and feel how much lighter it is to carry only your own opinion of yourself. Rest here, needing nothing from anyone. There is nothing left to prove now. Just rest here, as you are, whole and enough. No one to perform for, no one to convince. For these few quiet moments, you belong entirely to yourself. Feel how peaceful it is to let everyone else simply have their opinions, while you rest in your own quiet worth. The gold does not need to be admired to be gold, and you do not need to be approved to be enough. With each breath, let yourself settle a little deeper into being exactly who you are. The practice is complete. Notice how you feel now compared to a few minutes ago. Perhaps a little freer, a little more your own. Here is what to carry with you. You will walk back into a world full of opinions, and they will keep coming, like weather. But you no longer have to reshape yourself for everyone. Do what is yours to do. Be who you are, and let their preferences be theirs. And if these few minutes brought you some calm, you can subscribe, and we'll practice together again soon. In a moment, let your eyes open, slowly, and carry this quiet worth into whatever comes next. May peace find you, and may you remember, your worth was never theirs to decide.